Welcome to the tutorial on transcoding video for web delivery using Adobe Media Encoder. Here I have Adobe Media Encoder loaded. The screen is separated into 4 boxes, each has a different function. The queue box will show you all the media files in your queue before and after conversion. The preset browser area shows various options for transcoding, including YouTube and Vimeo options. The encoding window will show you the encoding progress for each file. The Watch Folders box allows you to automatically transcode all videos in a folder based on your preferences and can be useful for batch processing. More information on the Watch Folders can be found in Adobe's help files for advanced users. Let's get started. I'm going to add my video to be encoded. Adobe refers to this as the source file. There are 2 ways to add a source video, by clicking on the Addition button here, or going to the File menu and clicking Add Source. Navigate to the video in the dialog box, select the file and click Open. Now you'll see the file is in the queue and Adobe has provided some options about what to change it to. This is based on the last options I chose. Highlight the file in the queue here and then move to the presets box and double-click the chosen preset. This will add it to the queue on the left. For this example, I'm looking at presets for YouTube and Vimeo. I'm looking for options with 25, meaning 25 frames per second, which denotes PAL and is used throughout Australasia, Europe, China, and the Middle East. Depending on the camera that was used to record the source video, will determine whether or not you select HD 1080p, HD 720p for high definition, and standard definition options of SD 480p and SD 360p. There are also widescreen options available for standard definition under each heading. Again, make sure your chosen selection denotes 25 for PAL. For this example, I need 2 videos. First, I'll select the HD 1080p 25 option under YouTube and double-click the preset. You can see it's been added to the list in the queue box. Next, I'll select the Vimeo 1080p 25 option under Vimeo. You can see that it's the second option in the list. This will create 2 different videos, each with different settings. You can continue adding new video presets until you are happy. Back in the queue box, you can click on the output file here and the dialog box will open. Here you can rename the file and/or move it to a new location. I'm going to change the file names for easier location later. When you are ready to encode, click on the green triangle in the top right corner of the queue box. The bigger your source video and the number of options in the list can make encoding time take hours. You can see files here in the encoding box and I can see where they are up to in the process. Once encoding is finished, you'll notice the encoding box is empty and in the queue box next to each file is done and a green tick here. To remove from the list, select the file, right-click, select Remove. A dialog box will ask you if you are sure. This will remove the file from the list and not the computer, which is fine. Click Yes and that will leave you with a clear list. To watch the files, navigate to them in your computer's file navigation system such as Windows Explorer on a PC or Finder on a Mac. That's how you transcode video for web delivery using Adobe Media Encoder.